Hi, welcome to HardReset.Info. In front of me, DJI Mini 4K drone, and I'm gonna show you how to fit it, how to take it back to the original bag. So, to do that, of course, firstly, maybe we should charge the battery. So, firstly, open the battery cover and remove the battery from the drone and insert it on the dock station in this way. Here you will see the status of battery. And cool, then close the battery cover, and afterwards we should close the wings. Firstly, you should start with closing the bottom wings. So as you can see here, we have the bottom wings, and to do that, don't press on it, don't do that. Just press on the bottom part and a little right, and it's very easy to do to close these bottom wings, and to close the upper wings. It's very easy to do, just it's very intuitive, so cool. Then we have the cover that help us to prevent these parts of our drone to just to break. And what we should to do, so we should do it in this way. Here, as you can see, we have the place for this part of our cover. Okay, and as you can see, my wings are here. What about upper wings? So we should locate it in this way. Here we have the button. By clicking on it, we will stabilize our wings inside the bag. And of course, we have the cover for the gimbal. We should install this cover too, in this way. As you can see, it's installed. Wait a while. Okay, in this way. As you can see, it's installed. And it's cool. And here we have our controller. What about controller? So, if it's opened, so here maybe you have the cable, and it's very bad idea to disconnect the cable every time and get it to the bag, because in this way you will disturb this part of the cable, and it will just be you can just broke your cable in this way. So I suggest you just from time to time insert it in this way. So here you have one USB-C port for the cable and one fake USB-C port just for another part of the cable. It can be USB-C, micro USB, or lightning cable. And just in this way make it and close. Then just disconnect your sticks. Here we have the place for sticks. Insert it. Cool. And then just get it all into the back. So here we have the place for our drone, place for our batteries, and for controller. Cool, that's it. Thanks for watching, like this video, and bye. See you.